Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this M10 LNC in SolidWorks. I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we create this model in SolidWorks, and this is the basic tutorial for beginner and advanced level. I hope you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we draw this 3D model of this LNC in SolidWorks. So here just see, go to the file, select part, okay, and now here we change the background to plain white. So it's time to create this sketch. So better to select front plane, right click, sketch normal, and here we create one line here. Again we select this point and create line up to here, okay. Now go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 100 mm, okay. Now again we select this line and make this line 36 mm, okay. Now again we just put fillet to this corner, so go to the fillet command and here we make the fillet up to, we just create like we'll keep it 15 mm, okay. So we just create the sketch, then after we exit this sketch, now here it's time to create a sketch on this plane. So first go to the plane, select this line, select this point, and here we create a hexagon, and here we create the hexagon sketch. So select this one, we will keep the 6 number of sides, okay. Now go to the smart dimension, select this line, make it vertical, make sure it is vertical, select this line, we will keep the gap 8 mm, okay. Now again we just exit this sketch, so we close the sketch. Here we will just exit. Now again we go to the feature, select swift boss base, here we select sketch profile. So first we select the sketch and select this line, so here we will create a sketch like this. So again we make the chamfer cutout from the inside, so we select the front plane, right click, sketch. First we create center line from this center point up to here, okay. Now go to the line, select this point, create line up to here and meet up to this sketch, okay. So again go to the smart dimension, select this line, make it 0.8 mm, okay. Now select this line, we just here we the relation of coincident, so we just delete it first, then we apply the dimension. So select this one, make it go to the smart dimension, select this line, make it 0.8 mm, okay. So here we create a sketch, so it's time to make revolve cut. So go to the feature, select revolve cut, here we select axis center line, okay. Axis of revolution center line, okay. So look how we cut this end point of this LNC. So again we just go to the front plane, right click, sketch normal. Here we also create the same sketch cutout from this corner point. So first we create line up to here, meet up to here, okay. So again we just create center line. First we will put the dimension, this length will be 0.8, this one also we will keep it 0.8 mm, okay. So here we just create one center line like this. So it's time to go to the feature, select revolve cut, axis of revolution we will select this center line, okay. Look how we just create this 3D model of LNC. So it's time to apply the material. So go to the appearance, select iron, and we will select cast iron. Okay. So guys, this is the 3D model of Allen key. I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching.